Right, very quick video today. I'm doing the three-way sound test that a lot of people have been asking me to do. We've got the DJI Flip, Mini 4 Pro and also the DJI Neo. It's a bit of still a gloomy day, unfortunately. Hopefully the Flip will feel like flying after the fun I had the other day. But yeah, what I plan to do is simply put the Flip and the Mini 4 Pro up in the air, and I'll swap the microphone between the two so we can do a direct comparison between the pitch. And then I'll actually get them right up, probably about 50 meters, 150 feet up into the air, and maybe 70, 80 meters away. They've got very different pitches, so I'll be able to tell which one I can hear the most. Then I'll just repeat the same with the Neo and the Flip. I've got no doubt, I think the Neo is going to be the loudest drone of all three. It has got a very loud pitch, very whiny pitch. But anyway, let's get on and see. Just want to do another big thank you to the Grey Arrows Drone Club for sponsoring this video and helping make it possible for me. I did a little link the other day to them, and I'll put a link below, but easily the most useful site around. And obviously they're the team behind Drone Scene, which I have repeatedly plugged because I genuinely believe it is such a useful resource for anybody flying a drone. So I'll put a little link below, but thank you again to them. Right, without further ado, let's get the drones up in the air and see what sound they hear, what sound they make. Right, well at the moment I can very much see the louder buzz. It's always a bit subjective when you're trying to do a sound test. And no, you know, I've tried using a decibel meter, but they vary so much. So all I can do is show you . Okay, so that's down here. I'm going to take it up to 40 meters and we'll see what we can hear when it's directly above us. So if you go up to 40 meters, okay, so when they're directly above me, I can definitely hear the Flip far louder than the Mini 4 Pro. But I can hear the Mini 4 Pro. Right, with the Flip, let's go forwards 50 meters. That will be down towards the bottom of the garden. Okay, so both of them about 40 meters high, 50 meters away. I can just about hear the Mini 4 Pro, but I can very much hear the Flip. Right, let's just take it down to the bottom of the garden. If you go to, say, 70 meters, and now I can't hear the Mini 4 Pro, but I can still very much hear the Flip. You're getting a phantom obstacle there. Yeah, it's a bit misty. Okay, so we are 40 meters up and now 70, 75 meters away. The only drone I can hear is the Flip. So it's not terrible, but it is definitely louder than the Mini 4 Pro. I think we knew that anyway. So what we'll do is come back and then we'll try it with the Neo and we'll see what happens there. Right, let's bring them in. Okay, so now we have the Neo versus the Flip. I think the Neo is winning, unfortunately. Actually, it's quite hard to tell. Neo is annoyingly high. He is a bit lower pitch, but still loud. So same as before, we'll go up 40 meters above and then we'll fly forwards a bit as well and see what happens. Okay, actually, surprisingly, the Flip is louder than the Neo. I can hear the of the Neo, but I'm very much hearing more of the Flip. Maybe the Neo is just a bit more annoying because it's a higher pitch. But at this moment, 40 meters up, it is definitely the Flip that is louder. Right, let's go forward 50 meters. Don't know whether it's going to come out on this. To me, they're both as loud as each other and both as annoying as each other. Certainly when the Neo was flying forwards, the Neo was louder than the Flip. Now they're just hovering. I can hear the Neo and I can hear the Flip. Right, let's just go to the bottom of the garden. We'll go to 70 metres. If I was pushed, I'd actually say the Flip is louder. I can still hear the high-pitched whine of the Neo, but the Flip is definitely the louder of the two. Yeah, listening to it. I can hear both, pretty much. No, the Flip is louder. There's no two ways about it. The Flip is louder. The Neo is still annoying. You can hear the but it is not as loud. I can still see the Neo quite clearly. Little lot there. Let's just go to 85 metres. Both the same. There's practically no difference in it. If pushed, I'd say the Flip possibly. I did think the Neo would be a lot louder. It surprises me. I think again, because the Flip has got a slightly lower pitch, it's not as offensive as the Neo. Right, dogs don't like it. Right, I think we're there. Let's bring them back in. Okay, just keep it coming down. Landing indeed. Okay, so that was good fun and quite interesting. No real surprise with the Mini 4 Pro. I easily expected that to be the quietest of the three drones, and it was. I was expecting the Neo to be the loudest, to be honest, but in truth, there's very little in it between the Neo and the Flip. Both were whiny and both were loud, and when they were 80 metres away, so about 240 feet, 250 feet, and 40 metres high, so again 120 feet high, 220 feet away, so a fair distance away. When I did that with the Mini 4 Pro, could not hear it at all. You can hear both of these. Both of these are still annoyingly loud. And that is a real shame, because when the Mini 4 Pro came out, I thought it was bringing in, you know, it was continuing the trend. Mini 2, Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, every time the props seem to get a little bit better and a little bit quieter. Suddenly we've had two releases that have reversed that trend. The Neo, amazingly annoying, and the Flip is also, unfortunately, very annoying. And it's a shame, because it is that sort of buzzing noise that just annoys the public, basically, and you will have people saying, there goes another damn drone. Anyway, look, interesting little experiment there. As ever, hope you like it. Thumb up, all of that. Until next time, have fun, happy flying.